believe this, there's actually snow down in the low country, so we're gonna go out and have some fun. So we're gonna take Rampage out, play in the snow a little bit. Haven't snowed down in the low country since probably 2018, so I think we'll be alright. I commonly get asked, how do the Toyos do in the snow? And to me, they do great in the snow. I've had them on my Ram 3500 for years. I don't live up north, so I'm not dealing with snow each and every single day, but in the wintertime, you drive like you're driving on snow. You slow down earlier, you brake earlier, and you hope that it's not frozen into ice. You can't drive on ice, that's the biggest thing. So we are getting a little spray, and we're cruising pretty good. And just because the speed limit says 45 or 50 doesn't mean you have to do 45 or 50. Maybe in a place where they salt and sand and everything else every single day. It'd be pretty good to look at the river. There's that piece when you take your license. It's called drive for conditions. So right now we're just driving for the conditions. I think pretty much everything's shut down because they don't have the plows and equipment to keep stuff clear. Here in the sun, you can tell it's melting away, and then where the shade is, it's still pretty thick. Something you don't see every day. Snow in the river. It's pretty cool. Here's the remnants of an old Civil War ship. CSA Nashville. So it was a Confederate ship. Sunk over here in the river. Pretty cool. I don't think anybody else is coming out here. Park's definitely closed. Really pretty though, all this snow. Walk over here to the fishing pier. Palm trees in the snow. It's kind of cool. You don't ever see that. Fishing pier covered in snow. It is windy out there. wood is frozen. There's the water. I don't see any dolphins swimming today. I was hoping all that out in the middle would be white with the snow, but it's not. Super windy out here. Again, it hasn't snowed here since 2018. So that's it's been a while. And then over that way is Rampage out there in the snow. Had a few people come through, do the same thing we've been doing. This is really cool. We got all the snow on the pier back here. We got the water, and then back here behind me, the palm trees. Man. That is freaking awesome. Palm trees and the snow. So it happens. We're gonna go hit the road and probably wrap this trip up. It was fun to get out in the Jeep and just do a little exploring. Again, the Toyo Open Country MT tires did a great job in the snow. No issues at all. I've run them in the snow before, especially the snow we have here. It's kind of like ice and powdery, so it makes good snowballs for sure. So we're gonna head back.